Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a laundry challenge. I have not done one of these in quite a while. I told you guys that I would do one for you and I never got around to doing it. If you didn't know this, we just moved into this house just a little over a month ago and we're still getting settled in. But a laundry challenge is something that I came up with a while back. And it's where you give yourself 7 minutes per load of laundry. And that means you have 7 minutes to fold, hang up, and put away the entire load of laundry. I actually have 4 loads, so I'm giving myself 28 minutes. I don't have a timer because I actually use my phone to record. So I'm just gonna show the clock in the background. And all right, so let me know what you guys think. I challenge all of you to do the laundry challenge if you have 1 or more load of clothes that needs to be folded right now. So go ahead and get your clothes out of the dryer, whatever you have, get all your hangers. If you have any baskets, I use individual baskets for my 4 kids and I put their clothes in them. I actually still have 2 baskets that are my 2 younger daughters, and they actually still have clothes in them from when I folded them last night. This is why I need to do the laundry challenge so I can get it completely done. So I have nothing else to do tomorrow except just the dishes. So, okay, well, I'm gonna show you guys the 4 loads of laundry that I have, and then I'm gonna show you the time, and I'm gonna get started. Okay, so here's 1, 2, excuse the mess, this is real mom life, and 3, and then there's another load in the dryer. I'll go get it. Okay. 4. Okay, so 4 loads of laundry. I definitely am going to have some stuff to hang up. Oh, I forgot to mention, if this is your first time here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. I make a lot of cleaning videos, mommy lifestyle, cooking videos, but mostly cleaning because really and truly, I feel like that's all I ever do. So also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if it helped motivate you to get some laundry done. All right, let's get started. Okay, so before I get started, I wanted to mention that I don't know if I have all the clothes hangers that I need. I'm gonna get my baskets. 2 of them already have clothes in them from last night, but that's okay. Let's put them in order from oldest to youngest. And I am watching Lauren Midgley. To help motivate me, I am watching Lauren Midgley over here on my laptop to help motivate me. I love her music. I love her house. I love her. Y'all go check her out. I will put her channel in the description box down below. It is 7:40. It's probably going to be 7:41 by the time I start, but anyway. So I have until 8:08, right? I think so. Yes, I have until 8:08. I'm gonna get started.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? It's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger forever. our friends, there's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ba-da, 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 ba-da.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Forget what?
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. I lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense.
Okay, so not sure if you can see the time, but it says 8:05 back there. It might be mirrored. So I have 3 minutes left, but I did not put up my 2 older kids' clothes. They are responsible for putting up their clothes. The only thing I did do is put up their hang-up clothes. So they have their baskets sitting on their beds, and whenever they come upstairs, they are supposed to put their clothes up and bring me their empty baskets. I did run downstairs. Whew, that's why I'm out of breath. But I did run downstairs to put up the kitchen towels. So, and the cleaning towels and things like that. So, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you did this laundry challenge with me, and if you did, let me know if you were able to complete it or how you did. Just let me know. I'm curious. Or if you didn't even do laundry, if you just folded something, folded. Or if you just cleaned something. So, all right, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.